Good morning, students. My name is Makhanlal Khoj, and I am here to give you some motivation dose. And I am your English teacher and new class teacher always and also ever. As per I am your class teacher and you all my students, so I give you some instruction. Okay, now everyone, open your ears and ears. I'll come a school morning on time and in proper dress. Everyone in my room have opportunity to participate in your functional program. Everyone, homework do and come. Okay, students, I hope you all in coming days may follow my instruction.
Okay, Makhan sir.
Now, my students, I am going to ask you some couple question. Okay, you stand up. You. What is your name?
Sir, my name?
Yes, your name.
Sir, my name.
Yes, your name.
Okay, sir. My name is Iyer. Ramaswamy Srinivasana Arvindana Iyer, sir.
Okay, Arvind. Okay. What is your dream come truth?
Sir, dream come truth?
Yes, your goal or career, your goal.
Oh, sir, career. Sir, I want to be a scientist.
Oh, scientist. Very good. Okay, then you, my lovely child, you stand up and tell me any Indian scientist name.
Tal, Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt? Oh my son, very good. What is this? Means this only effect of phone. You going home, parents giving you phone and watching this, what to say, serial.
Sir.
Shut up. What you think yourself? Watching this Alia Bhatt will make you scientist.
Sir.
And what, sir? As per I your English teacher and in my rule, no one will use this YouTube and Chrome. Especially this Chrome. This Chrome is destroying the life of everyone, and from today onwards, no one will use this Chrome and this YouTube.
Sir, why are you not allowing us to use Chrome?
You stop overacting. You know the consequences, then also asking.
Yes, sir, we know, but what to do? There is no other option.
Then why we are here? You go be in home.
Why, sir?
Why? No? What homework is given you? You just going home, opening phone and copying from Chrome. What is this? What is this? This will not make you to become scientist.
Sir, listen.
What listen? From that time you are doing listen. What happened? Tell. What happened?
Sir, he is not able to speak properly.
What happened to him?
Sir, he said Aryabhat, not Alia Bhatt.
Then from that time you not telling me? These pathetic students, I will fed up you of them. I will pick them, idiots. Okay, now any one of you, if you want to ask any question, you may ask, because I have to go. I have some work. I don't have that much time.
Yes, sir, I have one question.
Okay, please tell.
Sir, what is gravity, sir?
Oh, means you ask me gravity, I am English teacher, and he is asking me what is gravity, I tell you gravity. What is gravity? No, I am Makhan. Makhan will tell what is gravity. Gravity also English word. I tell you what is gravity. Gravity is a force. Gravity is a force
Yes, sir, of course.
which attracts two object. Yes. Which attracts two object. Yes. Gravity is a force. Which attracts two object.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I also. Yes. Gravity is a force which attracts two object. Yes. Two object. Okay. I think you understood. I have to go. I think you understood. I think you understood. Okay, I going. Okay, I going.
Sir, please, sir, stop, sir.
What happened?
Sir, not understood, sir, gravity.
What not understood gravity? Now only I explained you. Not understood gravity. Huh?
Sir, not
Now I explained. Now I explained you gravity. Now not understood. Okay, I don't have time. You do one thing. Make him understand what is gravity.
Okay,
You
sir.
make him understand. Till that time, I come.
Sir, please stop, sir. Sir, he is unable to make me understand, sir.
What happened? Now only I tell him to understand. He not made able to understand.
No,
Make
sir,
you
he is
understand.
unable.
Now only I told him to explain gravity. Okay. He not able to make you understand. Okay. Do you know who is not able to make others understand? He is called.
Sir, I think donkey, sir.
Donkey. He is called donkey. Who is not able to make others understand? He is a donkey.
Sir,
Yes.
one question, sir.
Ask.
Sir, what you told now, I also not understood. Means you are also.
What?
At the conference room.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Five minutes later.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, Makhan, you may come.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Makhan, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Makhan sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir, good
Good morning. Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam.
You may have a seat, Makhan. You sit.
Yes, sir. I sit. Yes, sir. I
Yes,
sit.
yes,
No
sit.
problem. I sit, sir. I sit. No
Okay.
problem. I sit.
Do you know, teachers, why you have
Sir.
been called?
One question.
Yes, okay, speak, tell.
Why you had called us here, sir?
Calm down. We have gathered here for that only.
Okay, now let's get back to the point. Why I don't understand. I got to know that a student sitting at the back complained about you all that. Among you some teachers only teaches to the student those who are sitting at front. Tell me, who is he?
Sir. He is Chedia. Actually, he is very small.
Then what?
So, sir, he is not visible to the students sitting at back. Sir, his height is so small, and due to which students sitting at front only listen.
Eh? How much his height is small? Let me also see. Oh, stand up, Chedia, stand up.
खड़े तो है.
What? You are standing? Means from that time you are standing.
Sir, I don't know how, but when I sit, bench come parallel to my eyes.
If it is like this, Chedia, then stand on the bench or stand on the chair. I don't care, but you stand anywhere. But teach everyone, okay?
Sir, I want to present my opinion. Sir, students of class 9B are not bringing nowadays their books, neither reading it.
What? Books may come, books may go, but the thing is that knowledge will never go. It will remain forever.
Oh, sir, overacting is not allowed. I know, sir. Your English is very hard level. You, boss booblies.
You, boss indicus? Oh, what do you think yourself?
Stop. Is this a Kurukshetra? See, actually they don't understand the real power of the book. We are thinking about it, and soon there will be discussion in the PTM to increase the interest of book, and I hope there will be improvement, and soon everyone will start reading the books.
Sir, let us proceed to our topic.
Okay, as per this is the beginning of our new session, so we have decided to begin the new session of class 10th.
Okay, sir.
So are you all ready to build the students?
Okay, sir. Yes, sure, sir.
As you wish.
What as you wish? Huh? What as you wish?
What happens, sir?
What happened? Class 9 not done. Controlling. Class 10 doing.
Makhan, is this a way to talk?
Yes, Makhan, sir. Is this a way to talk?
Yes, this is only the way to talk. What you do to me?
Many things.
No. What you do to me?
Many things.
Then come and do.
Then come outside.
Yes, madam. Where is my bag? Now only I saw him. Where is my bag? Now only I saw him.
Principal sitting beside you, and you all are fighting here. Makhan, this is not good. I am very angry from you.
Sorry, sir. I was not into it. But what to do, sir? What to do? We standing whole day means whole day checking copies. Not even a single time we sit, sir. Not even a single time we sit. Speaking whole day. Speaking whole day, sir. Speaking whole day. Since from morning we become full tired. Full tired, sir. Full tired. But what to tell you, sir? What to tell you? They will never understand the pain of a teacher. The pain which the teachers has. They will never understand a pain of a teacher, sir. What to tell you? They will never understand a pain of a teacher. Do you know, sir? You know, sir, how much I love them. How much Makhan love them. I telling you, sir, no one in this world would love like me. No one in this world would love like me, sir. No one in this world would love like me.
Makhan, you are right, Makhan. How much efforts the teachers are doing for children, I really appreciate. Teachers can't be compared with anyone. I really appreciate them. Makhan.
तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में। तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में। तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में।
Sir, Makhan sir, you don't lose your heart. You can't and never be compared with anyone in this planet, sir.
Makhan sir, a day will come when the students will apologize on their deed and remember you when they will be in need.
The next day.
Good morning, sir. Sit.
Today I am going to teach you economics. Take out your book. I am fed of you all. Yesterday I reminded you twice, but neither you obey us nor you will give respect. Because of this, yesterday Principal Sir called us. We are totally helpless now.
Sorry, sir. We too heard your conversation of the meeting. Yesterday we realized our mistake and we condemn it.
And today is the celebration of our mentor, that is our celebration. We are grateful for your all decisions.